Hi, this is Laura Robles from Walter's Gardens, and I'm here at the Proof Winter site for California Spring Trials. And I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about our hibiscus and give you a little tip for how to best have them in your landscape at home. So we actually have two new hibiscus this year in the Proof Winners line. These are part of the Summerific series. They're both hardy hibiscus, so a big tropical looking flower, but on a perennial that's hardy down to zone 4. And we have nice foliage colors, flower colors, and habits. And the consumer tip that I'd like to share with you today is that in the spring, when you're seeing all your perennials come up in the garden and you're wondering where your hibiscus is, don't give up. I suggest putting a little stake or something to mark where in your garden these plants are, because they are one of the last perennials to emerge each spring. But don't give up, they're not dead, they're still coming. They tend to wait until mid to late spring before they even start to poke the shoots through the ground. So that's your consumer tip for the day.